Hello guys, welcome to a new Devlog episode. In this video I wanna show you what I have done since the last episode. And yeah, the game still doesn't have a name, so if you have any good ideas what the name should be, drop a comment down below. So let's get right into it. But before we dive into the video, I have to mention that one of my controllers doesn't work anymore. So there won't be any 2-player footage in this video. I will definitely buy a new PlayStation 4 controller, but it can cost anywhere between $40 and $100, and unfortunately I don't have that much money at the moment. I'm going to find a way to earn some money. That is a good video idea. Stay tuned for that. In the last video I created the shape of the island and I wanted to make it look better. I tried many different tile assets. I wanna mention 2 of them. This was the first attempt, but it looked like a flat piece of paper or whatever, and I wanted something more 3D-ish game environment. What you see now is the best tile palette so far. As you can see, the island has some sort of spatial effect, so I'm pretty happy with it. The next thing I have done is the minimap. Here is how it works. There is a camera above the whole map and it creates a render texture of what it sees. I placed the raw image in the left corner, which projects this render texture. First, I tried to place a simple square into the center and made the camera follow the player, and it seemed okay, but it didn't work out with 2 players, so I had to find another solution. Here is the thing. We have the player and he has a giant dot on him. But we can only see this dot on the minimap and not in the game space because I placed the dot on a different layer and only allowed the minimap camera to show that. And since the camera doesn't move anymore, we can see the whole map and the players on it. It was pretty hard to implement this feature when more players were playing at the same time because every player needs an own canvas, but I think it came out pretty good at the end, so now we have a minimap. We can finally move on. Weapons. Yeah, because as I imagine it, the game is a party game, with weapons, explosions and fun. At the beginning I only drew a pixel pistol, but it wasn't really detailed, so it was time to implement more weapons. A quick break: if you haven't been subscribed yet and you like my content, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much. The weapons are not working yet. They have only one sprite and a script attached to them, but you cannot pick them up. In the near future I will make the user interface work, because right now if I press the shoot button the health decreases by 10. But the bullet indicator doesn't even do anything, so that is the plan to make these work. I like to see how the game is developing. I really want to put everything I have into this project. That's it for this episode, hope you liked it. Please, if you haven't been subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like button and write down your own ideas or name suggestions in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, have a nice day and see you in the next video.